Students, this question is asked in NEET 2015 from chapter 5 of class 11, that is from the chapter of work, energy and power. Two particles of masses m1 and m2 move with initial velocities u1 and u2. On collision, one of the particles get excited to higher level. After observing energy epsilon, the final velocities of the particle be v1 and v2. Then we must have which of the following four equations. Student, this is a very simple but a tricky question asked to verify your basic depth of knowledge and your clarity of the concepts. Okay students, you see here two particles of masses m1 and m2 are having initial velocity u1 and u2. And in this situation, student, the kinetic energy, we know the law of conservation of energy, and the kinetic energy will be conserved. So the initial kinetic, the sum of the initial kinetic energies of the particles will be equal to the sum of the kinetic energy after the collision. Okay student? So what will be the initial kinetic energy of the particles before the collision, student? That is half m1 u1 square. This is the kinetic energy of the first particle, and of the second particle is half m2 u2 square. Okay student? And what will be the kinetic energy of the particles after collision? That will be equal to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square, but they have absorbed energy epsilon absorbed. Okay students, so this will be added here, epsilon. So half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square, that is the sum of the kinetic energies before the collision, is equal to the sum of the energy after the collision. So the total energy is conserved, student. Then we may take this epsilon to this side and write here minus epsilon. So student, where is it? It is in option A, I think. Yes, that is in option A. So option A will be correct, students, for this question. And this is a very simple question, students, but we have to be very careful in deciding the situation.